Hi everybody, it's Andres from MARUI plugin, and today I'm going to show you a real cool tip for how you can take any sort of feature, function in Maya, or even a script that you've found on the internet or written yourself, and attach it to a button on your controller for use in VR with MARUI plugin. All right, now first what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to open up Windows, go down to General Editors, and find the Script Editor. All right, here you can see any sort of command that Maya will do. We're going to do average vertices under the Edit Mesh menu, and you can see we have this script here. This is what Maya has done. I'm going to copy this, paste it down here, and you can see this fur1 at the end just signifies the mesh name. So we're going to go ahead and delete that, and what that's going to do means instead of applying it to that specific mesh, it will apply this function to whatever you have selected, right? Now we're going to go to the MARUI shelf, open up the UI interface layout editor, go over to the custom command widgets tab, and we're going to create a new name, average vertices. The icon doesn't really matter, pick anything, and then on click I'm going to go ahead and paste over that script that I just created and click create. There you go. You see we have the average vertices created. Go back to the widget mappings, scroll down to find what you just created, and you can find a good place to bind it to your controller. I'm going to use the down arrow. Now note this isn't by default, this will be on the polygon layout, but you can have it on any layout or all layouts if you want. I'm going to jump into VR to test this out. Okay, so here we have our little horsey, and you can see on the right controller, on the down, where the down arrow would be, there's a little new button with its funny little arrow, and you can see it averages the vertices of the horse. Undo it and do it again just to show you that yes, the button is in fact executing this script. Cool. For the next thing, we're going to go down to the Custom Menus tab in the UI interface, User Interface Layout Editor. Create a new menu. It looks like I already have menu 1, so let's create menu 2. And here you can have, I'm going to leave no icon, so it'll just be the menu 2 text. I'm going to copy over this script here. I'll put this in the description as well in case you want to follow along. I put it in the command section, and for the title I'll put center object to world. Browse for another icon, anything will do, and I'll click create. There you go, you see it's a menu item now. There you go, so we've created a menu with one menu item. I'm going to go ahead and bind this menu to the down arrow on the left controller. Menu 2, down arrow. And click save. Now I'm going to jump back into VR to test our new menu. There we go, we open the menu, and as you can see, it only has one button, but you could put any number of buttons here. Now, because this is center object to world, I first need to move the object off of the center. There we go. And let's test it out. As you can see, the mesh snaps back to the center of the scene. A useful little script. Now you can customize these menus. You could put menus inside menus, really just kind of go wild and create your own workspace. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if there's any questions or if you would like to see a different one in the future.